Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace name in ClickUp. This is particularly useful when you're rebranding your team or simply want to update your workspace to better reflect its current purpose. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that has the workspace you want to rename, as you'll need the appropriate permissions to make these changes. After logging in, you'll be taken to your ClickUp dashboard. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your account. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize various aspects of your ClickUp experience. Once you're in the settings section, look through the options available in the left sidebar. You'll need to find and click on Workspaces. This section is specifically designed for managing all your workspace-related configurations, including names, members, and other important settings. Clicking on Workspaces will display a list of all the workspaces associated with your account. Now, from the list of workspaces, choose the specific workspace whose name you want to change. After selecting it, you'll see a settings option associated with that workspace. Go ahead and click on Settings to access the detailed configuration page for this particular workspace. Within the workspace settings, you'll notice a field labeled Name. This is where your current workspace name is displayed. Click on the field beside Name to activate the text input. You should see your cursor appear in the field, indicating it's ready for editing. Now comes the simple part. Delete the existing workspace name and type in your new desired workspace name. Choose something clear and relevant that will help you and your team members easily identify this workspace. Once you've typed in the new name, the changes should save automatically, though you may need to click a Save button depending on your ClickUp version. And that's it. You've successfully changed your workspace name in ClickUp, making it easier to organize and identify your different projects and teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.